Hello students, once again this is Preeti Gupta, your English teacher from English faculty at Mount Literacy School, Jhansi. Today we are going to start a new chapter of Unit 2, Class 5, that is Flying Together. The lesson is a story of a wise old geese which tells us about how a group of birds stay united and escape a trap by acting together in a timely fashion. Let's begin with the story. In the forest, there was a tall tree. This tree was the home of the wild geese. One day, one of the geese, who is wise, saw a vine growing down the roots of the tree. Vine, or you can say a small creeper, means any type of plant that climbs or grow along the ground and has twisting stem. He told his fellow geese about it. He had suggested that they should remove the vine while it's still young. He believed that when the vine grows bigger, it might possibly make it easier for hunter to catch them. However, the geese did not listen to him and decided to ignore the problem. Every day, the vine grew bigger and a hunter saw it. The hunter devised a plan that would catch the wild geese living in the tree. So he put a net on its branches when the geese were out hunting for food. When the geese returned, they were not able to notice that they were caught in the trap. When they realized it, they felt remorse and sorry for not listening to the wild goose and requested the old goose to save them. Remorse means a deep regret about something wrong that you have done. So the wild goose had an idea on how they can escape from the hunter. He told the geese that when the hunter arrived, all of them should pretend that they were dead. In that way, the hunter will throw them instead of eating or selling them. And when the last geese would fall from the ground, they will all fly away. The next day, the hunter came and saw that the geese were dead. So he threw them on the ground. The birds lay still until the last one had been thrown down. Then all at once they got up, flapped their wings and flew away. Because of the idea of the wise goose, they were all able to escape from the hunter. Now let us understand what is the moral of the story. The moral of the story says, always obey elders, do the work when you are ought to do. Now here are few word meanings of the chapter. Geese, plural for goose, large web-footed bird. Creeper, plant that needs support to grow, usually along a wall or a tree. Winding, go in circular spiral course. Muttered, spoken in a low tone. Flapped, move wings up and down. Hope the lesson is clear. Stay home, stay safe, keep learning, keep studying.